name is Frederick Firth. I'm in the Learning Labs team. Most of my time I do stuff like this. Facilitating and designing workshops where you can unleash creativity and innovation skills of Googlers. At Google we have a workshop called CSI Lab. We're taking existing problems and challenges at Google and run people through a 4 hours design thinking experience to create solutions on these challenges.
A lot of folks in the company have actually approached us and asked us, do we have anything that can actually make us more innovative, think more creatively, come up with better designs. And luckily we had Frederick on our team who had spent some time with the design school and proposed this class that he's created, Creative Skills for Innovation.
What we wanted to do is bring Googlers together with a school called the EPAPA School and the students and teachers there to help them to redesign the learning space. So the challenge is designing the learning space of the future. And we took a design thinking approach, which we facilitate in 15 different teams, and give them the process and the mindset on how they can come up with some meaningful innovation in a very creative way.
We hear a lot of things about focus on the user, but I think when people really think about how to go about focusing on the user and designing great learning experiences, it's not easy. I think it is a process that needs to be taught.
CSI essentially is a tour de force of design thinking, where we apply the design thinking principles and methodology to a practical problem and bring in real users to understand their needs and to do some prototyping with them.
We include a lot of fun activities as well, but at the end what we want to have is actually prototypes which we can then implement at the school. So it's, I think, a fun experience, but it's also something valuable for the school and hopefully for every Googler, because then they learn a new mindset of how they think about innovation.
The CSI program has been pretty successful at teaching teams on how to make that process work and thinking that anybody has that creative confidence, and if you go through a process like this, you come up with some amazing results.
I think this process can help not just building better products, but building better experience for the end users, and go through a process to creating empathy, understanding the end users, ideating lots of creative ideas, prototyping them, test them, and basically create meaningful innovations at the end.
I can see it being of benefit to a number of different types of people, so specific project teams or pods of one sort or another who are focused on specific challenges where they need to marshal a number of different resources and think from different perspectives around how to solve clients' problems for them. I can see a second application which is actually around multifunctional or multidisciplinary teams together, where we need to bring together people with some different outlooks and different perspectives.
We've seen some amazing prototypes today, and I think it's just a testament to kind of the power that we have. My goal is to actually instill more of this process in all the course programs that we do at Google.
If you want to experience something different, if you want to experience how does it feel to have creative confidence in yourself and to create meaningful innovations, I think design thinking can basically help you with that. Try it out, jump into the water, and add it to your tool belt, because then you can really have a major impact in the world.